my name is Anjana and welcome to the Tech Girl channel. Samsung announced their new flagship Galaxy S24 series a couple of days ago. Samsung took a little bit of iPhone, a little bit of Google Pixel, added some touch of Samsung UI and gave us the Galaxy S24 series. Is that a bad thing? Not at all. Samsung has taken the good parts from each of them. What all Samsung announced, what do these phones come with, what did it take from iPhone and Pixel phones, all the details in this video. So let's get started. Samsung announced 3 new flagship models as usual. The S24, the S24 Plus and the S24 Ultra. The design hasn't changed a lot since last year, very subtle changes but nice touches all around. For example, the S24 and S24 Plus phones now have a more flatter and squared off design. The frame is made of aluminum. It resembles exactly like the iPhone 15 from many angles. Both phones are more refined now. The S24 Ultra on the other hand has a complete flat screen unlike a curved glass from last year. The sides of the phone are also a bit less curved. Oh, another iPhone inspiration, the S24 Ultra frames are now made of titanium just like the iPhone 15 Pro series. What about the display? There are some significant improvements this year. The front display on the S24 and S24 Plus is slightly larger than the last year with thinner bezels. All phones including the smaller S24 comes with a much brighter display of up to 2600 nits peak brightness. These are some of the brightest displays in any smartphone. Pixel 8 Pro had 2400 nits and Samsung has upped the game now. And all phones in the S24 series now also come with an adaptive high refresh rate display, which means all phones can now go from 1Hz to 120Hz. Apple should really start taking notes here. The S24 has a full HD Plus screen while the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra comes with a quad HD Plus resolution. The S24 Ultra screen now comes with a Corning Gorilla Armor glass. Supposedly this is much more scratch resistant with reduced glare. All gorgeous AMOLED displays. Samsung was always the best in the display game and this year is no exception. I want to talk about the performance and the chipset for a minute. Samsung has done their weird complication again. All S24 series phones come with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, but only in the US, China and Canada. What about the rest of the world? You guessed it, Exynos chips. So the S24 and S24 Plus comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip in the US and Exynos 2400 internationally, including India and Europe. But there are 2 pieces of good news. One, S24 Ultra all around the world comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Only the S24 and S24 Plus have this difference. Second, the Exynos 2400 in S24 and S24 Plus is not that bad this year. At least from benchmarks, Exynos is pretty close to Snapdragon. We need to see how efficient and thermally performant they are, but not a whole lot of difference in benchmarks. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is also an amazing chip, pretty close in performance with the Apple A17 Pro. So there should be no lack of performance at least for a few years. These are the RAM and storage options on each model. Cameras. Those are the big features in any smartphone today, right? There are no changes to the camera system on the S24 and S24 Plus. Same 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 10 megapixel 3x telephoto. They made some changes to the S24 Ultra cameras though. It's the 200 megapixel main wide camera, the same 12 megapixel ultra wide and the same 10 megapixel 3x telephoto camera. But instead of a 10 megapixel 10x zoom camera on the S23 Ultra, it's now a 5x 50 megapixel sensor. Another iPhone 15 Pro inspired change from Samsung. We will be doing a camera comparison once we get hands on the device. Subscribe so you don't miss it when it's out. Next, Galaxy AI. This is another level heavily Google Pixel inspired feature. All phones S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra comes with Galaxy AI, which mainly are 4 things for now: circle to search, live translation, chat assist and photo assist. Circle to search feature is actually a Google feature which is also coming to Pixel phones. You see any image on the screen, you can circle them using Google Assistant and you will get accurate search result based on the image on the screen. Live translation is what the name suggests, but it can work during phone calls without the other person knowing that you are talking to a person speaking a different language. Chat assist is more like ChatGPT, suggesting translations and other tones in messages and chat apps. We have seen everything the Google AI can do with the Pixel 8 Pro. If not, I'll leave a link in the description for you to check it out. Samsung is bringing all those photo editing using AI to Galaxy phones. You can now move objects in images, generatively fill empty areas, blur backgrounds, one-touch AI edits, etc. ChatGPT has definitely started the AI age. There is a good and a bad thing though. Good thing is it's present in all the S24 series phones, unlike the Pixel, holding some features for the expensive expensive phones. The bad thing is, it looks like Samsung might be charging you for all those AI features starting next year. We don't know when and how much exactly, but the fine print suggests it's coming. I believe the reason for this is all these AI features are using the Google Gemini Nano AI model. So the usage is based on the pricing for Gemini, and Samsung might have to pass on the cost to the consumers. Another inspiration from Google, all S24 phones now come with 7 years of software support, just like Pixel 8 phones. Samsung took the best parts from Google and Apple for sure. 7 years of OS support brings great confidence in the longevity of the device. We need to talk about battery improvements. There is a slight bump to the battery capacity of the S24 and the S24 Plus models. The S24 Ultra gets the same battery as last year. This small bump combined with all their improved vapor chamber to dissipate the heat means you will see a noticeable improvement to your battery life. All phones now have bigger vapor chamber for better efficiency. They all support fast charging, wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The S24 can charge up to 50% in 30 minutes, while the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra can charge up to 65% in 30 minutes. So which one should you buy? The S24 starts at $799 or 80,000 Indian rupees. The S24 Plus starts at $999 or 1,10,000 rupees. And the S24 Ultra starts at $1,299 or 1,14,000 rupees. They are all available to pre-order now and will be released on February 4th. If you want the best of the best with the largest screen, the high resolution and the most storage, the best camera and the most AI features, then the S24 Ultra is the one for you. If you want a balanced phone with a larger screen, a high resolution, a good camera and a decent battery, then the S24 Plus is the one for you. If you want a compact phone with a good screen, good camera and a good battery, then the S24 is the one for you. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share, and also subscribe to my channel for more tech contents. Let me know in the comments which one of the S24 series you're planning to buy, or if you have any questions about them. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. This is Anjana. Bye bye.